Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Menteri Rangba ke jela Konrad ke sangma ha ka Lypa terek ujeliu arjar phunrio laithu ba ka sarkar jela ka ba perkhat ya ka jingye Jong ki autonomous district council kala nang Siew lupa ya ka Bhah ka bagi dihok banyo khnang ban pelaj na ka jinghiran pisa kat ba ka pisa kampat poi ha ka jekran bat kila pathai khubor Menteri Rangba ong ba ka jaintia bat ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ki ba pediang ya ka jingterwa Jong ka sarkar kila menjur ban pentrikam ya ka service rule bat ya ki kendon ki bala batha da ka sarkar Henry lanyo ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ka ba kentaj mardor ya ka jingterwa Jong ka sarkar jela.
We had a meeting where we had said that we are ready to work with the district councils for those who want to work with us. And we had said that we are not giving you any money extra from our side, but we are only ensuring that we are able to give a small thing, which is the advance from your share, which is not coming on time and because of which you're not able to pay salaries. Our only condition was that we want to have a principal secretary who would be there from our side. And number two, we would want to see that we have got reforms. And then we say that there are service rules you have to come up with. So those district councils that accepted that offer from our side, we gave that offer. Those who did not want to accept it, which is completely their decision and we respect it, they did not accept it. So the Khasi Hills District Council was not accepting that, which is perfectly fine. It's their decision. We have nothing to say in that. But Garo Hills and Jente Hills, they accepted our proposal. And that's what I'm saying, that apart from, because a lot of people may say, well, you're giving the money, but what's the status of the reforms? So I'm giving you the update that while we are giving the funds to them from their share, again, as I said, this is not extra money. This is all advance from their share, which is being kept in the books. We are just monitoring also the second part of the agreement, which is to do reforms. Are they doing reforms or not? Have they done or not? Because again, as I said, this arrangement is temporary in nature. We expect that a day will come when the councils will be self-sufficient. A day will come when they will be running in a professional manner. With technology inputs, with online systems, with payments being made online, and having a proper administrative setup, which they have, but I think can be improved to a large extent.
Well, you can see that the KHDC is a surplus ETC.
No, see, all the, there's no government, there's nobody who has surplus. I'll be very blunt. If you have surplus, that means that you're not utilizing your money in a proper manner. But yes, being self-sufficient is a good thing. Being able to ensure that you're able to pay your revenue expenditure, which is the salaries and other non-capital expenditure on time is important. And KHDC in the last many decades has been run much more professionally. I keep repeating this, that even today, KHDC plus minus, I don't know the exact number right now, is below 1,000 employees, maybe about 800 employees or something they have. I think even 700 if I'm not wrong. But Garo Hills, when we started this process, had 2,400 employees. Today, by ensuring that no new appointments are made, they're down to 1,400. Still double of what KHDC has. So their salaries are double of KHDC. Their revenues are maybe lesser than KHDC. Similarly, Jente Hills also has about 1,200 or 1,300 employees. Again, far more than what KHDC has. So somewhere I think there's an issue of streamlining things and managing things. And somewhere, as I said, KHDC in the last many decades has been able to professionally ensure that the administrative part has been done well. As I said, if you look at through the years, KHDC's employer strength has been well below 1,000, very much under control. And no EC that has come in has just randomly appointed people, and which are sometimes difficult decisions to make, but in the administrative context are the right decisions to make. So yeah, so they've managed their administration for the last many decades in a much more better manner.
But
we are releasing the share.
Why they are not accept that the government offer?
No. Let's be very blunt and very fair. Their share, whatever there is, it is their right to ask, and it is their right to get, and it is obligation on us to release. And so we are releasing the shares on time. Even last time, I remember just I think about 2-3 weeks back, there was a file that came to me, and I have released the share, whatever the file noting was there. As per the file noting, I have released the amount to them.
How much the share which you released?
I don't remember, but touching about, I think, 14, 15 or 16 crores. I don't remember exact number, but below 20.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.